For years, bright white kitchens dominated the design world, but recently warm wood tones have been making a major comeback, and they're showing up everywhere from luxury homes to every remodel. In this video, I'll explain why warm woods are back and what's driving the trend, and how to reincorporate them into your kitchen without making it feel dated. So there's been a big shift. I know I've been saying white kitchens, they're doing it all over the place, but there's a warm tone coming in. And why is that coming in? Now, you guys got to understand who influences the market. A lot of manufacturers basically start bringing out nice warm tones. So they start kind of pushing it in front of us. They put it on magazines, they put it on the social media, and they start bringing in warm tones. So what is that? That's causing a trend to come back. Like fashion, you know, goes full circle. So warm tones are definitely coming back. As you guys can see behind me, there's a nice brown kitchen, very warm feeling. And then I got all these nice doors here that are just being pushed really strong by the manufacturers. They want us to start pushing out warm kitchens. And truthfully, they look good. A lot of people started it by pairing it. Either they'll do something warm on the bottom and then the light on the top. I guess we're a little afraid just to accept it all at one shot, which is fine. So instead of going 100% white on your kitchen, the warm tones are coming back. They used to be very popular back in the days, and they've gone full circle and made it right back to us. Trends come and go, but smart planning never goes out of style. The Ultimate Kitchen Cabinet Renovation Guide helps homeowners understand how to balance design choices with real world budgets ranging from $5,000 to $50,000. If you're planning a remodel, you'll find the guide linked in the description below. Another thing that I'm starting to see is that we're bringing back the nice, beautiful design craftsmanship style doors. Like this, for example, a lot of detail on this door, very warm feeling, very craftsmanship looking, a lot of detail on the door. Look at this, how beautiful this thing looks. Nice, warm. I like it. It's something new that is coming back. Not necessarily new, kind of bringing that old fashioned back, but it looks real nice. Pair it with a nice handle on here will look really amazing. Something either like a chrome or something like that. Chrome coming back. So that's one thing that's coming back. The warm tones definitely are starting to look good. If you notice here, a lot of these kind of grayish tones on the wood, something with wood grain, something like a knot here. It's kind of something pretty cool that just keeps coming back. The manufacturers are pushing the nice tones because they want us to kind of, you know, they make the decision sometimes, put it in front of our face, and then now we start liking it. So if you are shopping for a kitchen and are thinking about it and you're afraid like, oh, I don't want to go all white, everybody has a white kitchen, start thinking about the soft tones. It's nice. The warm tones are good. They feel good. They kind of feel welcoming when you come to your house. So think about it in that sense. Another key thing that helps you out when you go with the warm tones is it doesn't age your house so bad. It kind of flows with the house. A lot of these modern houses are getting very like, you know, straight edges, something square, flat doors. Eventually people will get tired of that. That's why you're going to see back the nice craftsmanship doors. You're going to see a shaker with a nice warm. You don't have to go 100% shaker. You could do something that has a little bit on the detail on the inside or detail on the outside. This door is square, but they do have the detail on the outside. So let that come back. Kind of doesn't really outdate itself. It kind of, you know, you start bringing out a trend. So the reason they're coming back, once again, I'll tell you guys, is because the manufacturers are putting it in front of us. Magazines, social media, trade shows. I'm starting to see a lot of that. So if you do want to do the warm tones, go for it. Don't be afraid of it. It won't age it. You'll actually be maybe ahead of the trend. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If this helped you understand today's biggest kitchen design trends, the next video you should watch is top 10 kitchen trends that will dominate 2026. I'll link it right here and I'll see you there.